always wanted to build something of my own. But I mean, who doesn't, right? The funny thing is, I didn't even start as a technical person. For years, I thought I'm going to be a graphic designer. But you know, life happened and somehow I drifted into IT. And now I'm here, trying to build a software house with my friend while finishing my studies and working professionally in tech. Yeah, that's a bit chaotic. If you're watching this and you got a full-time job, but you also got that itch to build something that's yours, I feel you deeply. But I'm not here to sell you a fantasy. It's a fucking mess, and I can tell you that, bro. It's late evenings, it's switching context all the time, it's trying to build your future after building someone else's. And trust me, I made enough mistakes for both of us. I never considered myself a technical person. I like tech in general, but I was more of a artsy person. Digital art, sketching, design, this kind of stuff, you know? Until around my 20th birthday, actually, my plan was simple. I wanted to become a graphic designer, and that was all I wanted at the time. And then, by an accident, I landed a job in an IT help desk, and, well, I liked it. Never intended to stay very long. Surprisingly, it wasn't boring at all. It was actually funny, I really liked it. It was meeting new people all the time. It was problem solving. And I was learning fast. I remember, like, really fast. And somewhere along the way, I fell in love with it. And now I'm here. Fast forward a couple of years, and today I'm working as a cloud engineer. And together with my friend, I'm building a software house called Black Cloud. And honestly, I absolutely love it. It's a bit hard, but I work mostly remotely. Fuck. God damn. I learn new things all the time and the work is actually interesting. So no, I'm not doing the classic, I drop everything and go chase my dreams. Although I tried, and honestly I can tell you, it's not worth it, don't do that. I like having a stable professional foundation, and building a company takes a lot of time. But the destination never changed. I still want to build something of my own. So what's the plan? In short, I have no clue. We started Black Cloud, we prepared our offer, and in my head the story went like this. We built stuff, we put it up on a website, and the clients will show up. And guess what? They fucking didn't. Who would have thought? And we even got ourselves a business cards that I have here and I'm fiddling with this entire beginning of the video. They look like this. I don't know if you can see, but I hope you do. This is reverse and the others like this. Yeah, they're cool. So it's hard, like way harder than I actually expected. Not because we can't do what we want to do, but because clients don't buy code. They buy trust. They buy reliability. They buy confidence that you actually deliver. And that's when it hit me. No one knows me, like absolutely no one. And because of that, no one will trust me with their company. So I was like, well, personal branding, this is the word. It's not optional, like I thought it is. So I started a YouTube channel, this channel that you're watching this video on, and it's my third one actually, in the span of the last 5 years. Yeah, that was a lot of tries, I would say. But one time I was this close, like I almost made it. Different time, different me. Now, we're going to see how it goes. What's the plan now? Like, now, what I'm going to do? I decided to build in public. It's a pretty common thing on YouTube. I'm going to show you everything, every little bit of ugliness that you can expect from building a company. And I'm not going to pretend I got it all figured out, because it never fucking works, bro. Because I'm not. I don't have anything. I don't have anything figured out yet, so You will witness everything. Hope you like it. And here's the strategy. Keep working in the industry to gain experience and stability. Keep leveling up my technical skills. Build credibility and visibility online. This is what I do already, right? I started a YouTube channel. Create real proof of work. Case studies, basically. And grow La Cloud step by step instead of gambling everything on day one. And I'm gonna be brutally honest about what works, what doesn't. Because I know that I'm not the only one doing this. Talking to you behind the camera. You got the job, you got the dream, and you're trying to build both. And you are slowly getting crazy. But that's the mission, bro. I mean, we all getting crazy in the end, right? So yeah, I'm building a company while growing my career in tech. I don't have all the answers yet, but I'm going to show you a full journey. The wins, the mistakes, and the messy middle. And of course, if you want to follow this journey as a series, subscribe to this channel. Next video will be more practical, I promise. Because stories are cool, but the execution is where everything changes. And that's how we finish this video. Stay safe.